Here we are on the Cash App home screen. First, tap on the Bitcoin option. Every Bitcoin wallet has a unique address. If you scroll down to the Deposit Bitcoin section, tap on Deposit Bitcoin. And here you will see the option to copy the Bitcoin wallet address. I have already got a Bitcoin wallet address of a friend from him, so I'll move on and show you how you can send Bitcoin from wallet to wallet now. Now let's start the transfer. Scroll up and tap the send arrow on the right side of the screen. From here, tap Send Bitcoin. You'll notice a toggle in the middle that lets you choose between Bitcoin and dollar value. I'll select Bitcoin value for this transaction and choose to send my full balance. After that, tap Send at the bottom of the screen. Next, you'll see several options for inputting the recipient's address. I'll paste the Bitcoin wallet address I copied earlier and then tap on it to confirm. Once the address is selected, tap Next. At this stage, you'll see the transaction details and fee options. You can choose between a small rush fee, a standard fee, or no fee at all for standard transfers. Since I'm not in a rush, I'll go with the standard option, which is free. Then tap Next. Now you'll see the final order details, including the wallet you're sending to, the amount in Bitcoin, the equivalent USD value, and the estimated arrival time, which is about 24 hours for this transaction. Everything looks good, so I'll tap Confirm and Send. Just like that, the transaction has been initiated. Tap Done, and the Bitcoin is now on its way to the other wallet. Once the network confirms the transaction, you'll receive a notification